Is your Roblox friend list not showing who's online? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to check your internet connection. Go to Wi-Fi, disconnect and wait for a few minutes, and then again you want to reconnect it. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch with data. If you're using data, switch to Wi-Fi and check. Next, log out and back into your Roblox account. Open up Roblox app, or if you're using Roblox in a web browser, open that. Now tap on the gear icon, then select the option of logout. After that, you can want to enter your credentials and log back in. Now check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is check Roblox server status. For that, open up any web browser and head over to Down Detector. Search for Roblox over here. Now you want to check if there is any ongoing outages. If there are, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved. Next, you want to review your privacy settings. For that, open Roblox, head over to your settings. Now go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here find the option of who can see your online status. Make sure it's set correctly. Finally, ensure your Roblox app is updated. If you're facing this issue in the Roblox app, you want to head over to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox and then update the app to the latest version. If these steps doesn't work, you want to restart your device or contact Roblox support for further help. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.